talker. Hey, like that. Hey. Oh, both of you are talking now. Yes. Okay. I'm going to go take them for a walk.
The two of them?
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. We'll work it out. She's like...
Hi, Lloyd.
Hi.
Oh. Morning. Hey, hush. Huh? Oh, yeah. If I can handle Sadie and Mister, whoo! Yes, exactly.
So you want it on that side?
Yeah, over there. I don't think you have a long enough leash.
Yeah, they're 100 miles long at Pet Center. I couldn't get anything slower.
Really?
Come on,
Alright.
come on. There we go, baby.
Alright, we'll see you later.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.